Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing a few videos going around where here in South Africa people get break-ins from people trying to get in and bypassing the Centurion D5 motor, even with your safety bracket installed. So yeah, this is a very easy method to get into your gate motor from the outside. I'm going to show you how to prevent it from happening, and yeah, please stay tuned to this video, and I'll show you how to prevent them from opening your gate, even if you have the safety bracket installed. Okay, so if you check from the outside, I'm standing at the back of the motor now. Right here, they make a hole inside your casing, your Centurion casing. Right here, they make a hole. What that does, if you remove your brackets, okay, and you remove your casing, okay, if you press the circle button, your gate will open or your gate will close. So what they do, when they make the hole in the back of the cover, they press their finger through and they press the button. And that's how they can get into your property, by just drilling a hole or making a hole in the casing, pressing their finger through, pressing the button. Now I'm going to show you how to prevent them from doing this. Okay, so with your gate motor or with your casing off, let me just try to get this to zoom. You can press your settings button and hold it in for 2 seconds, and then you can scroll to general settings. You add general settings, you'll look for round test button. That you need to switch off, and with that switched off, you can go back. If you press the button now, nothing will happen. So yeah, that's how you can prevent them from getting into your property, even if you have your safety bracket or your casing and everything on. Like I said in the beginning of my video, they just press they make a hole inside the casing, press their finger through, press this button, and it can open your gate. So yeah, this is just a short video showing you how to prevent people from coming into your property. This has been going around a lot in South Africa, probably going on around in other countries as well. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos to come.